Unlocking the mystery of baker's percentage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a term that's not just a piece of bakery jargon but also a fantastic example of how specific phrases can have unique meanings within different professions. The phrase in question is baker's percentage. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a budding baker, understanding this concept will surely add an extra layer to your knowledge and skills. So, let's get started. Baker's percentage is a term used predominantly in baking, and it refers to a method of measuring ingredients in relation to the flour used, which is always set at 100%. This might sound a bit complex at first, but it's actually a brilliant way to keep recipes scalable and consistent, regardless of the batch size. For example, if you have a recipe where flour is 100% and water is 60% in baker's percentage, it means that for every 100 grams of flour, you use 60 grams of water. This method allows bakers to easily adjust recipes and maintain the same taste and texture, whether they're baking a single loaf of bread or enough to fill a bakery window. Understanding baker's percentage is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures consistency in baking, which is essential for producing high-quality breads, pastries, and other baked goods. It also makes the process of scaling recipes up or down incredibly straightforward, promoting efficiency in both home baking and commercial bakeries. Moreover, it's a great tool for experimentation and formula development. By knowing the percentages, bakers can tweak recipes to adjust texture, flavor, and appearance without losing the balance of ingredients. This aspect is particularly fascinating for those who love to explore the science behind cooking and baking. Now that you understand what baker's percentage is and why it's important, how do you apply it in real life? Let's look at a simple step-by-step example. 1. Identify the total amount of flour in your recipe, which will represent 100%. 2. Calculate other ingredients' percentages based on their weight compared to the flour's weight. 3. Adjust your recipe based on the desired outcome or batch size, using these percentages to keep the proportions consistent. This method not only simplifies the baking process but also empowers you to become more creative and precise in your baking endeavors. And there you have it, a concise guide to understanding and using baker's percentage. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating concept and perhaps even inspired you to try your hand at baking with a new perspective. Remember, language and cooking both have their own sets of rules and creativity, and exploring the intersections between them can be both enlightening and delightful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more content. Happy baking, and even happier language learning!